Step 1. Place the nuts required for the galvanized sheet into the aluminum profile groove. Align the nut with the galvanized plate hole. Stand up the aluminum profile. Align the screws and tighten the nuts in sequence. All screws on both sides of the galvanized plate are locked. Step 2. Assemble aluminum profile legs. Loosen the nut and align it with the aluminum profile. Be careful to scratch your hands. After aligning, put the aluminum profile in. Tighten the side screws once. This action needs to be repeated 4 times. Step 3. Assemble the belt. Lock the tension block and one end of the driven roller together with screws. Put the roller into the belt. Use the same method on the other side. Do not lock the screws. Clamp the driven roller into the aluminum profile groove. Loosen the screws and nuts on the motor a bit. Snap into the aluminum profile slot. The screws and nuts of the locking block are loosened and stuck into the aluminum profile. Repeat on both sides. Push the nuts into the aluminum profile grooves on both sides, preparing for placement of end caps. Align the bearing with the end cover hole. Press the bearing into the end cover. Be sure to press it in completely. Insert the end cap into a section of the driving roller. Thread the driving roller into the belt. Insert the end cap on the other side into the driving roller. Use the nut you just placed to lock the screw. Don't tighten the screws here yet. Here you need to tighten the screws of the locking block. Do the same thing on both sides. Measure the size between the end cap and the aluminum profile. The dimensions for tightening the screws on both sides are the same. Finally, tighten the screws on the end cover. Use the central tensioning screw to tighten the belt. Install the drum gear and motor gear. Determine the location. Fixed. There are 2 holes in total. Hook the chain to the gear. Hook the chain to the gear. Connect the speed regulator and motor connectors. Power on operation and debugging normal. Prepare chain guard. Add a shield after debugging is normal. Fixed guard.